I am so excited to be traveling to someone's home and see what they are up to today. Come, join me and let's have some fun exploring their life.
How are you? We make a coffee and then I start soaping. I have a very boring life. I like soaping. She's not going to give you anything. This is Lexi and she's about 12 years old. I stumbled across cold process soap, so I started making, and I thought, oh yeah, I like this, even though I had a few disasters, total disasters. My sister decided, because at one point she went, okay Angela, how much soap do you have? And so we counted how much soap I had hidden away. And there was about 900 bars of soap, and she just went, we need to go to the markets to sell it. She came up with the name. Probably if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be doing it, and I couldn't be doing it because she comes to the markets with me all the time. So without her, like, Angela's Bush Soaps wouldn't have been born. Melt down the butters. And well, I'm thinking of. Because there's still a bit of a which and basically makes the soap white. You just oil soap. Because it's the cupcakes, okay. You apply and this bit you have to be careful. I usually just mix it to a tray. Swirl in. In the cup. Sometimes a little while. I am not the world's best piper by any means. We have a man. After I've stamped these, they then go into a box for about 4 to 6 weeks, usually around 6 weeks, before I sell them at the markets, or they go on our Etsy site. But so we tend to keep them for a good while. Okay. This just tells me when I made it with the scent. That's it. Have to be here because I treat my dog. Flowers. And dollars. This is Christy.
Good.
How you going?
Hello.
This is my partner in crime.
I heard you've been the inspiration for her. in the
Inspiration.
soap making.
Well, yeah, suppose so. No, well, she started soap making before I sort of suggested we go and sell at the market. So
But without you, I wouldn't be selling at the markets. On my own, I wouldn't have had the confidence or even like where to start. Like, how do you do this? What do you do? Where do you go? What do you do? I have no idea.
yeah, and we've just, I suppose, learnt it trial and error. And it's still trial and error. 4 years later, it's still trial and error, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
But it's fun. It's fun. It's hard work though.
It is hard work. She does all the work and putting it all together,
Yeah.
and I just help her sell it.
She helps me sell it. She helps me market it. She helps me with the Etsy. She helps me
Inventory.
does my inventory. She answers emails. Yeah, it's it's brilliant.
She loses things.
Yeah, see, because of you, I had to clean up.
Because of
Because of you.
Because I said to Angela, you better clean up.
Gotta clean up. So I cleaned up and now I don't know what anything is.
Oh gosh. All right. Don't worry about it. Don't stress. They'll turn up.
All right. Okay, let's go. You go shopping and we'll go to the post office because otherwise
And
I'll.
after I've done the shopping, we can then pack the car for
All right.
tomorrow.
Okay, cool. All right. All right.
how often do you have to go to the post office?
Some months I will go probably about 8 or 9 times a month. But there are some months like this month I haven't gone at all. It just varies. It doesn't. There's no consistency to it. No idea.
What's the plan now?
Okay. We'll have some lunch, and then about 1:30 I'll pack up some stuff to take to a friend of mine who has a soap shop, and she sells them. So we'll just do a delivery to her, and it's called the I Am Project. So she's a very nice lady. Probably some tomato sandwich. I'm a very plain now. Yeah, millet and rice and that do to. It's not. Garden. I get 7-Eleven coffee, so it's not bad coffee and it's cheap. Love being cheap. Oh my God. Have faith.
Cool. You can do it now. Fantastic.
What? Pretty. It's a strawberry. It tastes brilliant. This is the flower garden.
Okay, this looks fantastic. Okay, I love it.
Do you like
They
it?
look adorable.
I
They
know.
really do. And you've got your little succulents.
We have our little
So I
succulents.
left room at the front for the
Cool.
succulents.
We've got the succulents and we
And
have
you've
the
got some
flower garden. And just have
bees.
some little.
There is, and I thought I would put that like that. Ones in the garden. Angela, like
Which size?
this new size, the big size.
Okay, so that should be an interest.
You can't really. I think if they walk in the door and they have a little look, so I always do the customer walk-in moment. Yeah.
What's next on the list, Angela?
Next we go back home and we pack up the other car, the X-Trail. We pack it all up for the markets tomorrow and then hope that we sell soap. Yeah.
No, you took a couple out.
Yes.
All right.
Hit my car. She doesn't know her own strength.
How do you think your day went today, Angela? I'm tired.
Day went well, but yeah, soaping is actually really tiring and it's really time consuming, but I love it. I love doing it. And we love doing the markets, so it's good.
Have fun.
Okay, thank you. Bye. I would like to dedicate this video to my sister, an extraordinary sister, my steadfast support and the heart behind so much of what is Angela's Bush Soaps. In a world where genuine kindness and support are rare, you shine as a true example of generosity, dedication and love. You are not only my sister, but also my constant encourager and problem solver. From advice to practical help. You wear many hats effortlessly. Social media consultant, marketing manager, stock take expert, and the calm hand that keeps everything running smoothly each and every market day. Angela's Bush Soaps would simply not exist without you. Your presence is the backbone of this small business, and your impact goes far beyond the work you do. Christine, thank you for being the best sister I could ever wish for. I dedicate this video to you in honour of your beautiful spirit and the deep, lasting difference you make in every life you touch. With all my love and gratitude, this is for you.